Hello, Davida here. Welcome back to Abstract and Flow. I am back with another video. And I am doing yet another cloud pour, pearl pour. So I have beautiful 24 by 24 canvas. And we're working with some Paynes gray. I love Paynes gray. I wanted to incorporate some yellow again. And gray and yellow is very nice together. Speaking of yellow, let's show you the pour that I did the other day. It dried very nicely. Getting a lot of good feedback on it. Hopefully someone will purchase it. We'll see. But I really like the way this turned out. So I'm going to get my paint on the canvas. I've already done my practice tiles. Did this one first. Wasn't crazy about it wasn't reacting the way I wanted it to react. I adjusted the white base. And look at that. Total difference in the reaction. And I just added a little bit more water to the base. And played around with it. So we are hoping that reaction there ends up on the canvas here. I'm going to pan you down. And let's get this pour started. Okay. Let's get everything focused. Alrighty. Here we go. Fingers crossed. I think this is the biggest canvas I've done to date. See if we can get a little light on it. So, hope I have enough paint here. And I hope we get something pretty. Fingers crossed, here we go. Okay. Let's pop those bubbles. Spread it around a little bit. Got some nice movement. Okay. And I don't know why I can never find my tweezers. Okay. The one thing you don't want is to have debris in your base coat. Okay. Now, got my yellow. You can see the consistency, very thin. Here's my Paynes gray. Very thin. The Paynes gray is Liquitex, and the yellow is also Liquitex. This is Cadmium yellow, light hue. Alrighty. So the plan is to layer the cup, start with some Paynes gray, you know what, I'm just going to go for it. If it doesn't turn out, it doesn't turn out. I'm going to put more Paynes gray than yellow. Okay. And I'm gonna do my little design right in the center. I'm just adding a cushion to give the paint better movement because I haven't worked with a canvas this large before. And let's see, I want to do something. All right. I don't know if that's too much paint, but we'll see. Definitely want to make sure I have enough paint on the canvas to move this. Here we go. I think I want to go up this way first. Let's torch it. Got some nice shadowing going on. That's a good sign, I think, right? Got my little tray so I can contain some of this paint. So let's go up this way. And then we're going to come back down. Now we're going to come down this way. And I want that paint to stretch. Stretch, stretch, stretch. As much as possible. Keep stretching. Come on, baby. Stretch for mama. Okay. And we're already getting a little bit of action. Oh, wow. Please. Come on. I love that. Yeah, it turned green. That's okay. But I like green. I don't know what I was thinking. But that's okay. It looks good. I think it looks good. All right. Let's torch it. And I'm going to let it do its thing. I was really trying to stretch that area there. I seem to not get a lot of reaction when I'm finishing up my stretch. So I'm hoping, oh, some stuff is popping through. Okay, dokie, oh, I'm getting excited. Oh my goodness. Okay. Yes, yes. This is my third go big or go home. So everything, you can see everything. Yeah, okay. Oh, come on, baby. Do your thing. If we get enough pearls to pop up, I may not even embellish it. I had some green and some burnt amber mixed up because I was going to play with it a little bit. But if it does what I want it to do significantly, I don't think I'm going to touch it. Well, look, I can't even speak. Look what we got here. I am very happy with this. I could be very, very happy, but I'm happy. I'm happy with this. It's been marinating for about 30, 45 minutes. So I don't think that it's going to do anything else. When we stretched, we went up and over, and I tried to come down as much as possible. And that's okay, because I like this composition. Yes, I really like this. This is, what do you call it? A happy accident. Because I forgot all about those colors. And I'm really loving the way that area is light. And I just love it. I really like it. Okay. Let's see if I can get you back up here with me. I moved my camera, so I don't know about all this, but this is what we got going on. All right. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I can't stop looking at it. Yeah, I like it. Okay. So, thanks for tuning in. Stay safe. Stay blessed. See you next pour. So let's take you in for a closer view. Try not to look at that little corner up there by itself. Let's see if I can move the camera up. Where is it? It's right there. All by itself. Separated by that little white line. And I think I kind of like that it's dark down here. Because it just, I don't know, gives it a separation. So if you look at it from this angle, isn't that pretty? That is so pretty.